In today's video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Tableau. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your data visualization skills, this guide will help you build a professional and engaging dashboard quickly and easily. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Tableau tips every week. Start by opening Tableau and logging in with your account. If you're new, you can sign up directly on the Tableau website. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, create a new workbook from the top menu. Now it's time to connect your data source. You can import data from Excel, a CSV file, or a database, depending on what you're working with. After your data loads, spend a moment cleaning it up. Remove null values, check your formats, and create calculated fields if necessary. Clean data means smoother analysis later. At the bottom of the screen, click the new dashboard icon to open your dashboard workspace. This is where all your charts and visuals will come together. Next, create your individual visualizations in separate worksheets. You can make bar charts, line graphs, or scatter plots by dragging your dimensions and measures onto the shelves. Once your charts are ready, drag them into your dashboard layout. Arrange them so that the most important information is clear and easy to read. You can use either a tiled layout for a structured look or a floating layout if you want more flexibility with positioning. To polish your design, add text boxes for titles or explanations and use images or blank spaces to balance your layout. These small touches make your dashboard look clean, organized, and professional. And that's it. You've successfully created a dashboard in Tableau. Simple, powerful, and ready to share. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Tableau guides.